What up, yo? It's Facts of Life. We had a video shoot / photo shoot for the Brainiacs Foundation. Man, freaking the legacy over there. That was a freaking nigga. It's a motherfucking might think that I'm just this fly for the photo shoot, but they better realize is it's everyday facts. Right Link game day, VBS every day, every day, every day. Ain't nothing changed. You know what I mean? But we doing this for the kids right now. The 23rd of this month, we down Pratt Transitional on on South Pratt Street. We're gonna be giving out toys and food for the whole shelter, so be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for that 9/11 too. We got the orientation coming soon, so watch us move. And I'm still bright linked up. Check me out. Watch switch. And I'm VBS up. Look. Beat me just in case you think it's a game. Watch switch. You know what I'm saying? I'm up there and sexy. Little something. Facts of life, yo. I seen a nigga on World Star one time talk about he got the best waves in the game and he wanna put money on it. Look, you sure you wanna do that? Because you put that shit up there and you said you had the best joints in the world. Yo, peep me, yo. The other kind, real, my shit wavy from the rooter to the tutor. So if you really want to put that money up, holla at me, yo. 1500 got the best waves. It's a life, Freaky the Legacy. It's a rap, Brainiacs, 9/11. Orientation, Lilo Reyes, Crystal, Delos Reyes, photography. Yo, shout out to everybody out there that's following us. If you got a dream, you can achieve it. If you think it, you can believe it, man. Just go ahead and go for it, man. Don't let nobody stop you, man. We got this, man. Facts of Life 1.
We out.